In the busy streets of New York City lived Daniel Parker, a 35-year-old corporate manager. On the outside, Daniel had everything people admired: an expensive apartment in Manhattan, a high-paying job, and a polished lifestyle. But inside, he was drowning. Every day, his head was full of noise, deadlines, bills, responsibilities, fear of failure, and the pressure of, "What will people think?" He hardly slept. Even when he was home, his mind never rested. One evening, after a particularly stressful day, Daniel stumbled into a small karate dojo while wandering the neighborhood. Out of curiosity, he stepped inside. The dojo master, an elderly man named Sensei Tanaka, noticed Daniel's tense face and restless eyes. "Why are you here?" the sensei asked. Daniel sighed. "I don't know. My mind, it just won't stop. I feel like I'm fighting battles every second." The sensei smiled and poured Daniel a cup of tea. He kept pouring until the tea spilled over the cup and onto the floor. "Stop. It's overflowing," Daniel shouted. "Exactly," the sensei replied calmly. "You are like this cup. Your mind is so full of fear, stress, anger, ego, that nothing new can enter. If you truly want peace, you must empty your mind first." Those words struck Daniel deep. For the first time, he realized his own thoughts were his prison. That night, instead of scrolling through his phone or drowning in worries, Daniel sat silently. He closed his eyes and focused only on his breathing. The noise in his head was still there, but slowly, a small space of silence appeared. Day by day, he practiced this. He stopped overthinking the past. He stopped fearing the future. He learned to let go of things beyond his control. Within months, Daniel transformed. He wasn't just more successful at work, he was calmer, more creative, and full of energy. His colleagues noticed. His friends admired his new aura. Daniel finally understood the lesson. Success and peace don't come from adding more to your life. They come from emptying the clutter inside your mind. Moral of the story: in life, your mind is your greatest weapon, but only when it is clear. Empty it of fear, doubt, and negativity. Fill it with focus, courage, and gratitude. That's how you win. Not just in the USA, but anywhere in the world.